Extending many meters deep, the colony modifies the very structure of the soil, a marvel of natural engineering. Deep within the arterial tunnels, the busy carpenter ants transport vital resources, a scene of relentless activity.
A cathedral built not of stone, but of spit and soil.
But the Amazon rain is relentless. The soil saturates, and the water table begins to surge upward.
The walls are weeping. The lower levels are already lost.
This organized chaos is a matter of survival. The colony must move fast to escape the rising torrent below. Thousands of workers hoist the colony's future, the white, helpless larvae, up the vertical shafts. This carpenter ant bears a burden nearly twice its weight across the treacherous mud. A single slip could prove fatal.
As the waters rise, the rearguard is in peril. Their only hope is to outpace the encroaching tide.
With moments to spare, the rearguard collapses the tunnels behind them, sacrificing the city to save the citizens. They build earthen airlocks, sealing out the deluge.
This pulsating mass is a collective breath, a fortress of life protecting the colony's future. Individually, they are weak. Together, they are a geological force.